Hi, I'm John. I'm here to tell you about the products that you're going to be using with your patients for their home use with the hair rejuvenation program that you're offering. They're by a company called Monat, which stands for Modern Nature. An important thing to realize is that these products are non-toxic, no harsh chemicals. They are naturally based. So in line with a lot of the things you're doing in the office, these are going to create a healthier environment for the scalp, which in turn is going to make the hair much healthier and increase growth and density. Probably one of the most important first products we'll talk about is the Rejuvenate Oil. Okay, so this Rejuvenate Oil is a blend of 13 different essential oils. It comes in a concentrated form like this with a dropper. And what you'll want to have the patient do is literally just take a few drops and work them into the fingertips and work it into the scalp. What's so important about this, there's an oil in here called Abyssinian oil. It has the smallest molecular structure of really any oil, especially for hair, and it penetrates all layers. So it gets all the way to the medulla, and very similar, I say your scalp and your hair is like your lawn. If you add, a good fertilizer to the soil, you're gonna get healthy grass. Same thing, this is filled with nutrients, omega-3s, all scalp food for lack of a better term, that's gonna help to accelerate growth and create an environment that is gonna make your hair much healthier and make your follicles healthier. So there's also 7 healing oils in here that can help with things like psoriasis, eczema, a lot of the skin conditions and dermatology that we see, that we also see in the scalp, are prevented and treated with this Rejuvenate Oil. So the other thing to keep in mind is this is pH balanced. It's gonna help to create a healthier, like we said, environment. And it is found in pretty much every one of the products, but this in concentrated form is what you want those patients to be using. This will last them a while though, probably 6-7 months, depending on how they're using it. They can also use it for styling to prevent flyaways and just help the hair be more manageable. So a lot of mostly women will use it in their styling effect and their regimen as well. The second thing that you want to be using with your patients is this intense repair treatment. This is a twice-a-day spray. Just take the top off. You're gonna spray it just in the areas where there's possibly recession or where you're losing hair. And this should last, if they're using it as directed, twice a day. Now, key ingredients that are in this, one is a red clover extract called Capixyl. Capixyl, in the studies from Princeton, were 3 years of studies that were done, which showed that the active ingredients found in Monat products help to reduce DHT by about 48%. As we all know, DHT, dihydrotestosterone, is one of the main culprits to hair loss, and it causes a miniaturization of the follicle. So with this one product, it has that Capixyl in it. It also has something called procataline, which is gonna enhance growth. It's gonna decrease oxidative stress in the environment. And so it has about a 46% increase of growth with those active ingredients. So you're reducing something by half that's bad, DHT, and you're increasing density, clinically proven from the studies, 46%. So you get about 100% improvement, which is really, really nice with the intense repair treatment as well as the other products. There's also a ingredient called Crotasorb in here. That is gonna be a UVA, UVB protector, and it is also going to help to prolong the pigment in the hair. So it works really well if somebody's dealing with gray hairs. So that is gonna be what you're gonna use, the intense repair treatment spray, along with the shampoo conditioner combo. This is called the black, part of their black line. And this one shampoo conditioner is pretty much good for almost all hair types. It's a bit clarifying, so people that tend to have a little bit more oily condition, it's gonna work great for. If somebody has more dry, they're probably gonna need, and we'll show you an additional conditioner. Most guys love this because it's a 2-in-1, so it's just an easy step for them. One important thing is when they wash their hair, you want to do a double shampoo, just similar to at the salon. The first shampoo is really going to kind of get the grime out. Very concentrated products here by Monat. There's only 40% volume of water. Most other products that people are used to using have 80%. So this is going to last them twice as long, if not longer, than what they're used to using. For a woman with longer hair, she may use a quarter size on the first wash, first shampoo, and then probably just a nickel size or so. It's gonna lather up a lot. So it's really important to remember to tell them to do that. You wanna get the hair really wet, emulsify it first in the palms, it kind of turns white, and then work it into the scalp. It's really important that you teach them kind of a proper way to shampoo their hair to get the best effect from this. Now, the 2-in-1 is great, like I said, for men and for women. You will find that if somebody's dealing with a oily condition or dandruff, they're gonna get much better outcome with these products, and it's gonna make that environment much healthier. Now, the conditioner that we would recommend, and this is mostly gonna be women that are going to use this. If you have men that have more ethnic hair type, they may want to also add a conditioner or a leave-in conditioner, which I'll tell you a little about some other support things. But we're trying to keep it simple for you guys just to get that patient out the door with a good hair rejuvenation regimen to use at home and support what they've just invested in your practice. This is the Revitalized Conditioner. This is a rinse out conditioner. You don't need much. Again, this will probably last them months. And this also has some of those same ingredients, the Rejuvenate Oil, the Capixul. It's also part of the volume line. So if they're looking for a little more volume, this is gonna help to plump up the strand about 3 times. So it's gonna give a little more volume as well, which people really like, especially if they have thinning hair, which most of your patients do. That's why they're there to see you. Now those are really the main things that you're gonna wanna send home the patient with. Once again, we've got the oil and the intense repair treatment, okay? And the black. So this is for guys, okay? So all of these things are going to be used along with the Revitalized Conditioner. So I need one more hand, but that's for women, okay? Now, if you want to help your patients because they come in, they're wanting to see some results pretty quick, you would want to offer them, it's probably a little bit more on the aesthetic, but there's still some good ingredients in here. This is a thickening spray. I love this stuff. So this is gonna help, after they spray this on, they can blow dry their hair. I will tell you right now, they will get some immediate density with this, okay? It's gonna be more of a styling product, but it's fantastic to use to just help them give that appearance of a thicker, hair, and as they're growing more hair back, this is a great thing to add in. Another support product that I wanted to tell you about just real quick is an internal nutritional support with biotin, and this was developed by an integrative medicine doctor. This is an excellent, excellent support. We have several doctors that have been using this, and they actually compared this to other supplements and said it's a great thing to help support internally for hair density and hair growth. And then if you're looking for a natural alternative for the eyes, this is both a lash and a brow growth, and it typically will last probably 2 or 3 months, and it's just applied easily on the lashes or the brows. A lot of products don't offer hair growth for brows. This does that. It's called I Wonder, and keep in mind this company has a full line of styling products, and so you'll be given a website that they can order styling products for. If they need more hydration, if they can get those online. We wanted to keep it very simple to get you started with a great in-office program, but you will have support with them. We do recommend if they're using other products that have chemicals and things, I'd really recommend that you educate them on some of the negatives with some of those types of products and try to steer them more into a naturally based solution, because once they start using the Monat line, their hair is just going to be overall healthier, and they're going to want to use more of the products, which is great for you because they'll be getting more of those things for you. So thank you for hearing about the Monat products as a supplement and support for your in-office program. Good luck with it.